Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm one of the founders and the engineer behind the Kraken electrical system. This is a system that we've developed out of an obvious need in the industry to be able to rapidly upfit vehicles with different accessories. We specifically engineered an ecosystem of harnesses and enclosures for the best in breed controllers that are on the market to be able to rapidly add accessories and change accessories on your overlanding and off-road vehicle builds. The core unit is designed to mount to the battery directly with a vehicle-specific mount. It takes the power from the battery and ground connection only, isolating the entire ecosystem from your vehicle's electrical system and adding capability to it. The wiring that you see for the Kraken electrical system is aerospace grade, mil-spec wiring with very robust overbraid, and it's gauged appropriately for the full rated capacity of the Switch Pros. The last thing that you want is hot wires under your vehicle when you're driving over dry grass or camped in a rural area.